Hi everyone, in this video I am going to discuss about AFIG stock price. Now what are the nearest level we can expect from the stock for August 13, 2025. Make sure to watch this video till the end so you don't miss any important levels. I am doing analysis on daily time frame. First key support level is $76.65. The first key resistance level is $91.72. If it breaks above $91.72, it could test $114.73. If it breaks below $76.65, it could move lower. This is my view on AFIG stock. I hope you found this information valuable. Please hit the subscribe button. This video is for education purpose only. It is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investment decision.